Now, let's talk about how to actually promote your affiliate links and how to promote them for free, because we like free and want to use free traffic sources to promote our affiliate links. So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple system that you can use to promote your affiliate links. This works for basically all affiliate brands or platforms, but I'm going to use impact.com because, as you already know, I like this platform and I've been making most of my affiliate marketing videos have been around this platform. Again, this can work for any other platform like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Amazon, and a whole lot of them. So we want to drive traffic to our affiliate link for free, and that is basically what we talk about when we talk about organic traffic. Organic simply means free of charge traffic, so we need to put affiliate links in places where targeted audience or prospective audience would be. So the first thing you need to do, we need to do at least 4 steps or thereabout, and the first thing you need to do is to actually get your affiliate link. And then the second thing to do is to like this video if this video is helpful to you. And of course, you have to subscribe, ask me questions. I'm always happy to answer questions. So like I said, I'm just going to use this one and I'm going to find an affiliate product that we are going to basically promote. So I'm going to come to links here and I'm going to look for a link. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use in video. So I already have a link, but if you do not have a link, once you select the platform or the offer, you click on create, it's going to generate the link for you. So this is basically your affiliate link. And the first thing again is to get the link, because everything we do revolves around people landing on this link. So if people don't land on this link, we are not going to earn any commission. So this is important. So first we copy this link. So we've copied it right here. So the second step is to go to this website called short URL, or you can use any link shortener that you like. So I'm going to use short URL. You can use Bitly, you can use Kotlin. There are lots of them. Anyone that is okay for you is fine. So I'm going to just basically use this one. And the reason why we want to do this is because we don't want to send people directly to our affiliate link, or we don't want them to know that it's an affiliate link, because sometimes the platform I'm going to reveal is going to block this link. So if you come here, you basically just paste the link we copied and then you click on shorten. So what this website does is just to make it a short link. It basically hides this link. As you can see, this becomes our link. Now if I copy it, come here and then I paste it, it's going to take us to the in-video affiliate program with our affiliate link. Again, this is how you verify that this is an affiliate link, or one of the ways you verify. So you can see this click ID is equals to blah, 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 blah. It shows you that this is our in-video affiliate link. So we've done 2 steps. We've selected the product that we want to affiliate and we have shortened the link. The next step is to go to canva.com. So what we want to do is we want to create a simple picture or image that we are going to use to promote our affiliate link. And the essence of this link or this picture is to catch people's attention, because these days people are scrolling and you just need something to make them pay attention to you. So when we come to Canva, you want to search for Twitter posts, because Twitter is a platform that we are going to use to promote our links, because again, Twitter is a very popular social media platform. And we can find a lot of targeted audience on Twitter if we do the right things, or if you do the things that I'm going to reveal going forward in this video. So you come here, you search for Twitter posts, and what Canva does is that Canva is going to give you templates, and these templates have been formatted to fit into the Twitter platform. So you can basically scroll and select anyone that you like, that you want to use for this purpose of this, the purpose of this this video, or you can click here to create your own from scratch. In all honesty, the reason why we use Canva is because we do not want to go through the mental stress of trying to create our own design from scratch. We want to see what people have done already, and to be frank, a lot of these designs are very, very fine that we would not have thought of by ourselves. So I can use this one or I can use this one. So let me just use this one. I click on this and I want to edit it. So once you click on it, you come here, you click on customize so that you can work on this template. So you want to put in a few new things on the picture so that it sends the message that you want it to send, so that when people are scrolling on Twitter, they would be forced to pay attention to us because we want to buy their attention, but for free. You get the point. So first thing you need to do is can basically leave this test. I think I like the test, but you can delete the other things here because we do not really need them. We just want to write a few things and add a few pictures. So again, the purpose is to catch their attention. So I like how this test was done. But again, remember, you can do whatever you like. But for the purpose of this video, just follow me and try to do the same thing that I do. Yours might be different depending on the niche you've decided to work on, but let's just continue. So this is what we want to do. And then we want to come to this this website, which is 𝐴𝐸𝐷𝑖O, because this is the one we are promoting, and want to do a few copy and paste from here. You can rewrite it if you want, but the reason why we are copying is because we want to market exactly the way 𝐴𝐸𝐷𝑖O wants us to market. And what 𝐴𝐸𝐷𝑖O has done is that they have some of the best copywriters in the world, and they've done some of the heavy lifting for you. Because ordinarily, as an affiliate marketer, you need to have some level of copywriting and a whole lot of that. So first, they've done the nice writing for you. So you want to pick a particular place or a particular thing that you can copy from their website here and use it for your design. Of course, the essence is not to copy everything verbatim, but just to get an idea of what you can use. Now, you can also come here, click on the button here, this picture right here. You can save this image if you wanted to, if you want to put it in your design. So you can basically click save as, and you can save it to your computer. So that's not really important, but just so you know. So now we want to select one part of this website, and then want to use one of their headings here. So for instance, you can see that they are talking about YouTube and Instagram tutorials. They are basically looking for YouTube and Instagram content creators and a whole lot of that. So what you can do, since we are on Twitter, is since Twitter also pays creators these days, you don't want to tell people how to start a YouTube channel on Twitter. All right. You want people to learn how to monetize their Twitter. All right. So if you come to 𝐴𝐸𝐷𝑖O, I'm still looking for something we can copy. So let's use this one, the easiest way to create pro quality videos. So I'm just going to copy this, and then I'm going to come back to Canva, and I'm going to come to an element here, and I want to search for AI, because 𝐴𝐸𝐷𝑖O is an AI software, and it's basically an AI editor or an AI video creator, or all those AI stuff. So this depends on your own niche. You have to find the angle that your niche covers and try to work from there. So because this is AI, I'm just going to come here and search for AI, and then I want to click on see all, and I want to find, I'm going to use this one, and I'm just going to put it maybe somewhere here, or I can put it somewhere here so that it covers this. So I can either flip it or rotate it. So I can rotate it to face this way or any way that I want. So somehow I've forgotten how to rotate images on Canva, but then it's very simple. Just come here, click on flip, and you can select where you want it to flip to. So the reason why I used this image was to cover that thing we had in the background, so I cannot delete this thing. Ordinarily I would have deleted it, but I cannot delete it. So I put this, and then I want to delete this text. So like I said initially, we want to target people who are on Twitter. So we want to tell them to learn how to monetize their Twitter account using 𝐴𝐸𝐷𝑖O. So you can come here, and then you can right click on this, and we can paste that stuff we copied from 𝐴𝐸𝐷𝑖O right here. So you see why we use templates on Canva. You can see that this font, this design is going to be quite fine. So ordinarily we may not have been able to do this. So this design is going to be like super cool, at least to me. So I'm just going to keep it somewhere here, and we are basically done. Again, the reason why I asked you to download the InVideo logo is if you wanted to add the InVideo just to make people aware of where they are going, you can come here and then you can upload that logo. So I had already uploaded it, I had already downloaded it and uploaded it. So I can basically click on select and it's going to come here. So I'm just going to, I can basically drag it. This is just for transparency sake. All right, so we are basically done right here. So you can click on download, and then you want to download it as a PNG file. So this is a picture, you download this as a PNG, so it's downloading. So what we have done so far is I've collected our links, we've shortened the link, we've created our design, and now we want to go to Twitter, because Twitter is a free platform that we want to use to promote our affiliate links. Again, the reason is because Twitter has a lot of business people, a lot of creators on Twitter, and a whole lot of things. So the first approach we want to use here is we want to target people who are on Twitter, who want to be monetized on Twitter. So, but InVideo is not just for content creators or video creators. It can also be for business people who are looking for cheap ways to basically grow their businesses using video creation and stuff like that. So everybody knows that video is the thing these days. So our first strategy is to target people who want to monetize their Twitter. So we come here, you want to, first of all, you can click on the image and you want to upload the image. So this is the strategy I would use, and I can come here. This is a very simple piece of copywriting trick or write up. You can see how people are using this simple AI, video creator to monetize on Twitter, monetize on Twitter, let's say within the shortest time possible. All right, so this is going to pique the interest of anybody who is interested in wanting to monetize their Twitter account. So within the shortest time possible. You can even go as far as say maybe within 60 days, 90 days and stuff. So I'm just going to do some of the corrections right here. See how people are using Twitter. So my listing, okay. See how people use a simple video creator. Nice. So you can come here and then you can, if you are doing this on mobile, you can add emojis, but this is where we want to see, this is where we want to put our link. You can say you can try it too. You can try it too for free. All right, put for free because InVideo offers a free trial. All right, so you come here. This is where we put our URL. So you put our short URL that we had copied. So somehow this is a URL right here. So I copy this, I come here, I put it right here. All right. So now we want to upload our image. So you click on this media right here and you want to go to our downloads. This is a picture we created and then we'll put our picture right here. So this is how our post is going to appear. So you can add a description if you wanted, but the easiest way is to look for hashtags. You can come here, you can find trending tags for creators or business owners. You can come here, let's say you can say InVideo if any, or you can basically come here. As you can see currently in Nigeria, these are some of the tracks trending, but these tracks may not be relevant because these are basically entertainment content. But you can basically use it to get into the faces of people, because the important thing here is that if I come to InVideo, you see that InVideo has a very long cookie duration. So I think it's lifetime or thereabouts. And what you need is for people to land on your link for a very long time. All right, for people to land on your link. And since you have a very long cookie duration, whenever they decide to purchase within that cookie duration, you'll be earning a lot of money too. So you can come here, you can search for, let's say, hashtag AI video creator. And basically, as you can see, AI video generator, you can see the hashtags here. You can copy, you can put as much as possible, and all you have to do is hit post, and your posts will become live. And what you have basically done, this is what our link is going to look like. So when people are scrolling, this image is of course going to catch their attention, and once they click, boom, takes them to our URL. And this is basically how you can promote your affiliate links for free using twitter.com. I hope this video has been helpful. Please like this video, subscribe, and watch out for my next video, because like I said, I'm making a lot of videos about affiliate marketing, e-commerce, dropshipping, all of the good stuff that would help you make money online legitimately. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.